Hi, I'm Guacamole, a Polish amateur game developer. I've never actually released a game before, but I've been messing around with code for a pretty long time. Now, I'm finally working on my first project that's actually going to see the light of day. So, I thought this would be a good opportunity to bring this old channel back to life. I probably won't upload very often, but from time to time I'd like to share some updates about the games and project I'm working on. Right now, my main project is Chop Trees, a Roblox game that's basically a tree chopping simulator. The idea behind the game is pretty simple. You chop trees, sell wood, earn gold and slowly make your character stronger. At the beginning of the game, you start in the first biome called Young Forest. You begin with a wooden axe and earn gold by chopping and selling wood. You can spend that gold on better axes or save it to unlock new biomes. While exploring the forest, you can also find purple crystals on the ground. You can use them to buy different upgrades for your character, like running faster, earning more gold from selling wood, getting more wood from trees, or collecting more crystals. Sometimes a golden tree will also appear on the map. Chopping it gives you extra wood and can even reward you with some crystals. Another important part of the progression is the quest system. Each biome will have its own set of quests with different rewards. For now, the main rewards are gold and crystals, and that's basically the core gameplay loop you will see when the game is released. It's still pretty simple, but I plan to expand it over time with updates, new mechanics and some of other ideas I have for the game. Right now the first biome is basically finished, with all the system needed for the full gameplay loop. My next step is to focus on balancing and testing everything. Once I'm happy with how the first biome plays, I'll start working on the next ones. While creating these systems, I tried to make them as flexible as possible. For example, when I created the quest system, I already had future biomes in mind. This way, I can easily add new quests and connect the system to other biomes without rebuilding everything from scratch. I tried to follow the same idea with most of the other systems in the game, so adding new content in the future should be much easier. I've always wanted to make my own game. I've tried using different game engines before, but those projects never got very far and I eventually stopped working on them. This time I decided to use Roblox because I'm already familiar with most of the tools here, and I thought it would be a much easier place to finally finish a game. I'm still learning all the time, so for me the whole process has been a great adventure, and that's actually one of the reasons why I'm making this video. I want to document the development of Chop Trees and have something I can look back on in the future. My main goal right now is simply to finish this project and finally release it. If there's anything specific you'd like to see during the development, let me know in the comments. The next video will be the official trailer for Chop Trees together with the release date. And for my friends, this also means that open testing is coming soon. So you'll finally be able to try the current version of the game. Sending you lots of love.